Ever wake up feeling drained, even after what you thought was a good night's sleep? That constant fatigue isn't just tiredness, it's your body signaling an energy crisis. Dragging through the day, yawning in meetings, struggling at the gym, it doesn't have to be that way. Your body runs on cellular energy, and without the right nutrition, your cells simply can't perform at their best. That's why you feel sluggish, heavy and drained. But there's a solution: NeoLife Pro Vitality. Packed with powerful whole food nutrients, Pro Vitality recharges your body from the inside out. It helps boost energy, fights fatigue, and restores the natural vitality your body has been missing. Imagine waking up refreshed, powering through your workday, and still having energy left to enjoy time with the people you love. Don't just survive your day, thrive. Get NeoLife Pro Vitality today. Call or WhatsApp +2349049452177. Powered by NeoLife from the Peace Hub. And don't forget to follow us for more simple, powerful health tips.